Hey, what's up, guys? I just feel like doing a video, just just like a live analysis of what I'm looking for in the dollar, and then we'll go to the other pairs and see what's going on. So, what concerns me right now on the dollar? Like we're sitting in a place where higher time frame, it looks like it could bounce over here. So let me show you exactly why. So this is a fair value gap on the 12 month. Now we've tapped into that. Now, if we get below 97, I think we're going to drop down here to 88 into this long term fair value gap there. So we're going to hit this low there and dip into that 50% once it comes down. But it needs to get below this candle. So right now, it can bounce back in here. It can, even this breaker there, that line there, that's a break on the lower time frame. So let's go down to 6 months. Same thing on a 6 month. We're sitting in that fair value gap there. And we've also clipped that bullish order block. How crazy is that? So we've literally touched it to the T. So that's on the 6 month. 3 month, here's a little fair value gap in there. We've in there too. So that's a double point of resistance. Monthly, I like that we're below this one now. And on a monthly, I wanted to see this stay below there. Now, I'm going to get rid of that 6 month stuff because I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish dollar. I want to see dollar fall. So what I'm looking for now, just get rid of everything else here. So obviously we're in that range and that range there at the moment. That's where we're trading. So I think we're going to come back down to 88s. So how do we get there? Right now, I want to see us stay below this block, yeah? And then this candle is also a breaker. So let's change that color to like an orange. So that's the breaker. That's the fair value gap. So I want price to stay in between there. Now, if we go to weekly, that's quite balanced, to be honest. I like this weekly chart. And I like that we stayed below this gap and we closed there this week. So that's cool. Now, do we come back and spike out and take a few drops, or do we just gap lower over the weekend and then start getting down? Well, that's to be seen, to be honest. Like, I don't know. It looks like it does want to, on a 4 hour, it looks like it wants to take out these highs, go back into this zone, maybe fill up this gap here, and then run down. I don't think it needs to go to that high, but over here, I think we could do that next week and then roll over. 2 hour, yeah, that looks bullish to me on a 2 hour. Pound, we've taken out this low, and I think we can just continue up here. So that proves dollar weakness. Euro as well. I don't think we need to come down here. I don't think we need to come down here anymore. I think we just keep going higher now. Aussie has been a pain. Like, I still think Aussie can even come down to these lows down here. Take out all these lows and then go higher. But that means Euro and cable. Oh, look at that. Like daily on pounds, I think that looks bearish. That means it could come down below this low here, to be honest. So if we're staying in that fair value gap, look how that's created resistance. That's actually quite nice. Yeah, we could come down, yeah. 3150. USD CAD, I think we're going to get into the zone. And do we go higher and close up this, which is like an inverse of the pound at the moment? We could. It's just very tricky right now. UJ, I thought we are going to break down and start hitting that low, but we've made a big, strong move up again. We're just short of that high there, so I think we're going to spike up. So that means like stronger dollar for a bit. So yeah, I think we're going to get a bit stronger again on dollar, and then we're going to have to see what we do up here. Cool. That's it for now. Cheers, guys.